What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a good morning. Just got done doing this engine swap on this 2016 Cadillac Escalade. Right now I'm taking it for a test drive. Started up real good, no misfire codes and no leaks, but gonna go for this test drive and recheck. But it's not bad, you know. Fucking GM all day. Let's go. And also too, it's crazy when like you're a tech, especially me. I'm a Chevy tech, but you know I work on all sorts of GM, like Chevy, GMC, Cadillac. So you see like the different trim levels. It's pretty crazy, you know. And like this is only 2016. The newer ones are even nicer. So pretty crazy. So now I'm parked, but you can kind of see the digital dash. Pretty cool. Speed limit, transmission fluid. I mean, you can change it to where you want, but this shit is pretty cool. Data looking good. Let's go. Also too, it has a button so you can adjust the pedal. That's pretty crazy. What the hell? That's pretty cool. So, as you can see from up top, this Escalade looks pretty cool. Looks really, really modern.